Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix no sound on WhatsApp status. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, simply force close the app. Okay? Once that's done, go and find the WhatsApp app again. Tap on updates, tap on status, and check if it works. Alright? And if that still won't work, just make sure that you have uploaded, alright, an unmuted video. Okay? If your video is muted or any other creators' videos are muted, well, there's one problem. It's on your phone. So for iPhones, we have this key right here in the left-hand side. That is a mute button. So you could just go ahead and try to toggle it. Maybe it's in the wrong direction. So this one got two options, play audio or mute. Now, if that one works, you're good to go. If not, swipe down or open up your control center. If you are currently, have enabled Bluetooth, disable it. Maybe your phone is connected to an external output device, such as earbuds, speakers, Bluetooth speakers, Bluetooth earbuds. Go ahead and disable Bluetooth. All right. Now, once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and find the app icon. Tap and hold if you're using Android. Tap on the information icon. And then tap on storage right here. Tap on clear cache, followed by clear data. Now, if you're using iPhone, go to settings, then iPhone storage. General, then iPhone storage. Then find WhatsApp and just offload the app. And after that, reinstall it from there. For both Play Store and App Store, find WhatsApp right here. And then make sure that it is fully up to date. Once that's done, tap on open. Check your updates, and you should be good to go. That is how you fix no sound on WhatsApp status. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.